In this tutorial, learn how to seamlessly insert a PDF document into a Word document. Whether you're combining multiple files or need to reference a PDF within your Word document, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First of all, open your Word document where you want to embed PDF. Click on Insert, then click on Object as shown here. Then click on Create from File tab. Next click on Browse and select PDF you want to embed. Then click on OK button. You can see PDF is embedded in Word. When you click on this PDF file, then it will navigate you to PDF Viewer to view the PDF. In my case, it is opening in Acrobat Reader. Again, go to Insert, then Object, then navigate to Create from File and then browse a PDF file. Then click on Link to File and change display icon of the file. With this method, it will insert the content of the files into your document and creates a shortcut to the source file. Changes to the source file will be reflected in your document. Now let's insert the PDF content directly to Word. For this, select Adobe Acrobat PDF XML document option. Then select your desired document you want to embed. It will open PDF Viewer at first. Just close it and you will get the same content in Word without any text format loss. In this way, we have successfully inserted PDF in Word document. Hope you like this. Please subscribe for similar video. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.